Do you want to make money while traveling, having fun, exploring, hanging out with friends, spending more time with your family, and other activities? I'll lead you through a step-by-step procedure for applying this brand new strategy in today's video. You can make money online simply by collecting emails, and you can do it on complete autopilot. So, watch this video to the end and start making money now. So, with what we're gonna be doing today, you can get paid every time someone else watches a video. Isn't that interesting? As much as 10 cents a minute. This is every time someone else watches a video, so you're not doing anything. You have a bunch of people watching videos, but you're getting paid for their time. So let's do the math here. 5,000 minutes up to $500. Let's talk about this website over here called Skillshare. But first, let us search on Google. What is Skillshare? So Skillshare is an online learning community based in the United States for people who want to learn from educational videos. The courses, which are not accredited, are available through subscription. Don't just change. Grow. Get inspired and move your creative journey forward. Get access to thousands of inspiring classes and the support of a creative community. Projects included, no commitments with over 8 million students signing up right now. It has offline viewing on demand. Okay, so Skillshare wants to pay you to make videos for their website, and these videos need to be something like a mini course that has to do with something that you're knowledgeable about. Business, writing, photography, some kind of lifestyle video, illustration, design, animation. A lot of people are willing to pay for that type of information and training on the internet these days, so it's really popular. Skillshare is an online learning platform with thousands of creative courses and classes taught by experts to help you learn new skills. In Skillshare, you can sign up with a Facebook or Google or Apple account. Really easy to get started, and they pay you very well. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people on topics including illustration, design, photography, video, freelancing, and more. On Skillshare, millions of members come together to find inspiration and take the next step in their creative journey. So when people come to the website, they do a lot of the promoting for you, so you don't have to worry about that. Although if you do have a following or something, then all the better. Now we're gonna log in, and one of the great things about this is that you can get $10 for every student that you bring into Skillshare that gets the premium membership. So if you're on social media and you do have a following, you can make an affiliate commission for referring somebody to Skillshare, but you also make money for all of the minutes that they're watching your courses that you've created as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that would be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, with that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now, according to them, collaborative culture goes far beyond their online community. It's a real part of the humans. First way, they work as a team. They believe the work they do makes a difference in the lives of their members, and their mission extends to ensuring their own team members live balanced, fulfilling lives. That means different things for everyone, but it begins with a workplace that embraces modern flexibility, inclusivity, and transparency. So the better the course, the better the video. The better the content, the more time they're gonna watch your videos, and now the amount of money that you're gonna earn per minute can vary in between 5 cents all the way up to 10 cents. So 5,000 minutes is 500 bucks. But if you're only getting, well, of course that's it. If you're getting 10 cents per minute, if you're only getting 5 cents, then it's $250. But you know, with a few people watching videos, those minutes can add up very, very quickly. If you want to expand onto this, check out those courses inside Skillshare. Those are courses that shows you how to make money online, and this is something that I highly recommend to click, and that's everything you need to do. Pretty easy, right? Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.